Hi, hello, welcome back to AgriDost. We are happy to introduce a new series, Fundamentals of Agriculture. In this series, we are going to cover all the fundamentals of different subjects, for example, agronomy, seed technology, plant breeding, etc. So, our first episode starts with seed and its types. First, we must know the exact definition of the seed. Seed is defined as fertilized mature ovule consisting of an embryonic plant together with a store of food, all surrounded by a protective coat. It is technically defined as ripened ovule containing an embryo. 4 essential factors for germination of seed: capacity of seed to germinate, moisture, temperature, and oxygen supply. Now, the factors governing growth of plant: parental feature, air, moisture, temperature, light, and minerals. Question 2. Remember, which one of the following is an essential factor for germination of seed? Light, minerals, genetic makeup, air. And the answer to this question is air. Now let us know about seed index and test weight. Seed index. Seed index mean weight of 100 seeds. For example, seeds of maize. Test weight. Weight of 1000 seeds is called as test weight. For example, small seeds of rice. Now we will be knowing about genetic purity. Genetic purity in seed is required 100% as far as the impurities by seeds of other varieties of same crop is concerned, but in case of impurity by seeds of other crop species, it is permitted up to 0.1% only. Types of pure seeds. There are 4 classes recognized by International Crop Improvement Association. First one is breeder or nucleus seed. This is the 100% genetically pure seed with physical purity and produced by original breeder or institute or state agriculture university from basic nucleus seed stock. A pedigree certificate is issued by the producing breeder. The breeder seeds have golden yellow tag. Now we will be knowing about foundation seed. The progeny of breeder seed produced by recognized seed producing agencies in public and private sector under supervision of seed certification agencies in such a way that is its quality is maintained according to prescribed field and ad seed standards. White color tag is given to foundation seed. And now we will be knowing about registered seed. Registered seed shall be the progeny of foundation seed that is so handled as to maintain its genetic identity and purity according to standards specified for the particular crop being certified. A particular color called as purple color tag is given to registered seed. And finally, we would be knowing about certified seed. The progeny of foundation seed produced by registered seed growers under supervision of seed certification agencies to maintain the seed quality as per minimum seed certification standards. A blue color tag is given to certified seed. Other type of seeds according to agronomic use are hybrid seeds, composite seeds, and mutant seeds. We would be knowing about these seeds in upcoming videos. This is all about seeds and its types and its tags and its tag colors. Please subscribe to AgriDost for more agriculture related videos. Thank you for watching.